Hello everybody, thanks for joining us again today on Drunken Sailor. It's Valentine's Day and we need something that's a little bit sweet and a little bit spicy for the love of our life, just like mine. So hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment, because today you're going to learn how to make a Cupid's Kiss. Let's get pouring. Going to take our shaker and put in there 1/2 ounce of the Grenadine. I'm using the roses. It's got a nice bright red color, and that's going to get us the cocktail look that we want. 1/2 ounce. We're going to follow that up with 1 ounce of raspberry liqueur. We're using a Chambord. 3/4 of an ounce white or clear cream de cacao. 3/4 of an ounce of Fireball. This is going to give us our spicy. Last but not least, going into there is 1.5 ounces of half and half cream. We want to make this a nice full flavored. That goes in there. An ice cube in the shaker. Pop the top on that. Give this a good shake to chill it down. Finish this off is the pour. Now we've used a martini glass. What we did is we took some cinnamon hearts, the little Valentine candy, crushed it up so that it's like a powder, frosted with white frosting on the rim of a martini glass. Roll that in the cinnamon. Once again, a little more spicy in there. And there you go. Today's cocktail, Cupid's Kiss. And I think I'm getting stuck with an arrow. Look who's here.
Hi.
Hi.
That looks delicious.
I made something for you.
Yeah.
It's sweet and it's spicy. And the cocktail is too.
Oh my God, that's so good. It's like a flavor explosion in my mouth.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Bye.